Have you ever seen an effect like this, where text flies behind someone? Or how about a video where someone's head enlarges suddenly? How do they do that? In After Effects, this is going to be complicated, but I'll show you how you can easily do it in Camtasia. If you don't already have the latest version of Camtasia, there's a link for a free trial in the description. Let's get started. For this first effect, I want the words to drop in behind me. To do this, with your footage already on track 1, duplicate your video and place the duplicate on track 3. Then, in the Annotations tab, grab some plain text and drop it on track 2, sandwiching it between your footage. By clicking the eyeball icon on track 3, we can hide it for a second while we edit our text to say magic, because that's what this is. Magic. I'll add the border visual effect and check the box that says Use Alpha to outline my text, choosing whatever color I want. Turn track 3 back on, and I'm going to option click the eyeball on track 3 to solo that track, meaning I'll only see what's on track 3 now. Alt click on Windows. Right now, it's just my regular footage. Go to the Visual Effects tab, grab Background Removal and drop it onto track 3. Voila! I'm still there, but my background is gone. Option click track 3 to bring all the tracks back. Last, I'm going to add a sliding behavior to make the text drop in from the top. Make sure the During properties style is set to none, and the Out is set to slide out to one side. That's the whole effect. Easy. And it doesn't have to be just text, by the way. You can also have video or images slide in behind you. There's one more effect I want to show you. I'm going to start over with a clean project, same footage, but this time I want to make my head bigger when I see something shocking happen. So I scrub to the point in the footage where I make a shocked face, duplicate my footage, and again add background removal to the duplicate layer. Over in the Visual Effect tab, I'll grab the mask effect, add that to my duplicate footage, and place it over my face. Notice the rectangular box it put around my face with red handles? Let's solo this track to take a look, again by option clicking the eyeball on track 2, and look, there's just my face. It's not terribly precise, but I'm going to do my best to move this elliptical shape around just my head. Thankfully, I have a pretty oval-shaped head. When I've got it where I like it, I can reveal the track below by option clicking again. Here's the fun part. Click the track to open the Properties panel, and I'll scale up my head. It might move out of position, but I can easily fix that. I'll grab the center point of the footage and move it back, making sure to not grab the mask. That would ruin everything. To make this effect work and not have it on all the time, I'm going to split my clip and only apply this to the part of the video where I look shocked. Then revert back to my normal scale and position immediately after. And if I want, I can add a confetti animation to sandwich between these two tracks. Play around with it until you're happy with the results. And there you go. 2 super cool and easy effects you can start using today. Let us know in the comments if you've seen an effect on YouTube and are wondering how they did it. Dropping a link to the video would probably help too. And maybe you'll see your question answered in our next video. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. It really does help us. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching.